Do you need to change the information that Word stores about you? This quick tip explains how to find the info. When you first install Word, it asks you for your name so that it can personalize the registration for your program. It also writes your name into the user area. This area includes your name and initials and can include your address. This information is used by various Word fields, in the document summary information, in annotations, and in the envelopes and labels feature. If you need to change the user information, for instance, if your name or address changes, then go ahead and display the Word Options dialog box. We just click on Options right there, and that displays the Word Options dialog box. The General tab should be displayed by default. Notice right down here that you can change both your username and initials as you desire. What about the address, though? The address, you have to go over to Advanced, and then you scroll down to almost the very bottom of this dialog box, all these settings, and you see one here that says Mailing Address. You can place your mailing address in here simply by clicking in the box and typing in the address that you want to use. Once you've made all of your changes to the user information, then go ahead and click on OK, and Word retains that information within the program and will use it to update any fields or envelopes or labels that you create in the future. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, well, you might consider signing up for the free Word Tips newsletter. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.